Isn't that lovely? It's called A Child is Born, and it's a new topper collection from our friends at Hunkydory. And let me show you, we're going to back up so I can show you everything that is part of this collection. So this is an A4 size. Are you backing up, Steve? And it is A4 size, so that's, you know, a generous 8.5 by 11. And this also has some extra things in it. So let me first of all show you the idea sheet, and it's two-sided. And then we've got, this is all going to be with a religious bent, of course. And you see the foiling, just beautiful. Now you're going to get two of each thing. So you've got all of those foiled die-cut toppers. You have the foiled adorable scoreable sheet, and then you have a printed sheet. All of the artwork coordinates. And then we have this, is called Christmas Blessings. Isn't that pretty? In fact, there's a stamp of her. And here we have the foil, just really beautiful. And then we have the angels. Just love the coloring, just beautiful. Here we have more, and this is Peace on Earth. And there are nested foiled toppers on here too, as you would expect. Some borders, greetings. Here is the foiled, and here is the printed. Just lovely. And there's also this. And here is the printed. In fact, there are two printed here. There you go. Now there is a bonus with this collection, and you're going to get two of these sheets. So we have Madonna with Child, and these are the Deco Large, so you can layer these as you wish, and you can actually get a couple of projects out of each sheet, so you're going to get two of this. So that's a nice bonus from our friends at Hunkydory. Now, to coordinate with this set, there is also a bite-sized book, and here we go with this. This is measures 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. And Steve, I'm sorry, you're going to have to get in close. And let me just show you. This has 72 sheets in it, and there are 12 different designs. You're going to get 6 of each one, so let me just show them to you. It is the same artwork that you just saw, but you do get several, like I said, 6 sheets of each one, and they are the larger size, and you are kind of closer to the imagery, and just beautiful. These are printed single-sided. They're not on the back side. And so you've got vertical as well as some horizontal. So just really, really nice. So this is The Child is Born. Now we're going to back up and show you the inserts. The inserts are the A4 size, and these are ghosted back images, as you have seen. There are a total of 36 sheets. You're going to get 24 of them that will coordinate with the cards, and then 12 of them have all over patterns on them. So you're going to get 3 of each sheet that I am showing you. Again, it is the same imagery, and it just allows you to do more things with the artwork and also to have things coordinating. So the inside of your card is definitely going to coordinate with the outside. Now, those are all of the single-sided. There are the double-sided patterned, as I mentioned. So you can see, very pretty, all over patterns, again, to coordinate nicely with everything. So that's what's going on with the inserts. Now, there is also foiled acetate, and this is one of my favorites. You get 16 sheets. You're going to get 4 sheets that are foiled gold on one side, and it flips to silver on the back side. And you're going to get 4 each of this pattern, as well as 4 of this stunning all over pattern. How pretty is that? And then there is another all over pattern, very rich, kind of looks like embroidery, and then 2 borders on that sheet. So again, gold on one side, silver on the other, a total of 16. And then we're going to have the adorable scoreable. That way you have cardstock that matches. There are 30 sheets as usual. You're going to get 3 each in 10 different colors. And let me fan these out so that you can see, and as you would guess, they're going to coordinate perfectly with all of the art that you've just seen. Now, in addition, there are some stamps. So this is the Nativity, and I know that's hard to see. In fact, I can show you on the back. This is actually a couple of the others, but it is the same artwork. There is also Mother Mary is what it is titled, and then the three wise men. So those are part of this collection of A Child is Born. So 3 stamps, adorable scoreable, foiled acetate, the inserts, the topper collection, as well as a bite-sized book of A Child is Born from our friends at Hunkydory.